2016, South Africa, Gambia and Burundi all signalled their intention to leave the International Criminal Court. Leaving the court will have a powerful impact on the credibility and foundation of the ICC. When it was established in 2002, the International Criminal Court was supposed to be the final point in the evolution of international criminal justice. It would serve humanity's interests by ensuring that those who commit war crimes and crimes against humanity and genocide would have no place to hide. The vision here was that no person, no matter how powerful, would be able to place themselves above the law. The recent decisions to walk away from the ICC might represent a momentary pause in the evolution of international criminal justice, or it might trigger the collapse of a precariously built house of cards. It's particularly significant that the 3 states opting to leave the court are African nations. When you look at the court's caseload, you'll see that there are 10 situations that have led to cases before the court. Only one of these situations, Georgia, lies beyond Africa. Is there a racial bias at play here? Well, yes and no, and it really depends on how the situations come before the court. Firstly, any state that belongs to the court can refer a situation that involves either its nationals or occurs within its territory. Secondly, the UN Security Council can refer any situation that it believes represents a threat to or breach of international peace and security. Thirdly, the prosecutor can choose to investigate any situation under their own discretion. The impact of this African-centric caseload has been keenly felt by the majority of African nations. For some, the ICC's work represents Africans as the worst of all criminals, but for others, Africans are represented or presented as victims in desperate need of saving by Europeans. While the ICC continues its work to curtail the very worst aspects of war and atrocity, it remains to be seen whether other states will leave the court. In the meantime, the fate of international criminal justice hangs in the balance.